I'd like to highlight the release of the PAS document 63100, which is entitled Electrical Installations, Protection Against Fire of Battery Energy Storage Systems for Use in Dwellings, and it's a specification. A PAS is a publicly available specification, and it's considered as a fast-track standardization document developed by sponsoring organizations to meet a market need, with the objective of essentially defining good practice standards for a product, service, or a process. A formal review of each PAS takes place to assess whether they should be revised, withdrawn, or whether they should indeed become formal British standards or international standards. This one actually was sponsored by the government, the Department for Energy, Security and Net Zero, with a huge amount of input from recognized industry leaders, including the ECA. The items that I wish to share with you today are this. Clearly, the document focuses on fire safety, but covers such issues as battery locations, ideally being indoors and away from habitable rooms. Where this is not achievable, members should consider fire compartmentation, with additional considerations potentially for ventilation as well as fire detection. This document also recommends that battery energy storage systems are not located in lofts, and indeed this detail can be found in section 6.5.5. There may also be fire stopping requirements for service penetrations, an item that's also covered in BS 7671 in section 527.2. This document is now free to download from the BSI website.